My name is Jason Lurz. I am the head of Rail Operations Service and Maintenance for Hitachi Rail North America. The Skyline system was just pillars growing in a field in East Kapolei. This is a 10-year event, and I was fortunate enough to watch it come to fruition from nothing to something. And now it's my job to keep it moving forward.
When I arrived on this project, there were a lot of issues. Our signaling system, together with the trains, are the parts that should be integrated with other systems that usually we buy. We needed to cluster all of these issues and to create some small leaders in order to solve this issue.
Key to this project is not losing the motivation of the team. This is a key element for Hitachi.
We had people from Middle East, India, Europe. I had the opportunity to work more or less all around the world, trying to improve communication, to create a bridge where we didn't have it before.
It goes outside of the project. It goes with the community, being receptive to their needs, their concerns, and then putting their concerns into the project and resolving them so that their voice is heard. The defining moment of the project is when the client, the mayor, everyone got together and said, let's go into system demonstration. We're going to open by a certain date. And we worked together as a team from that point forward. It was not your issue, it was our issue.
It's a big result for us to accomplish the system demo in only 35 days. Usually you need 2 months, 3 months in order to do that.
There's been hundreds of engineers and hundreds of employees that have worked long and hard to get to that point, and it was just a very grounding moment.
At the end, what we did is a blessing ceremony. In each station we had operators that prepared the lei.
Hitachi employees created the leis woven from tea leaves. In Hawaiian culture, the individual that weaves the lei transfers their well-being into the lei. We placed it in the station. We were transforming the station to be accepted by the community of Hawaii.
By 2025, the islands of Oahu aims to transition to renewable energy, reducing its greenhouse gas emission by 45% to become fully carbon neutral by 2045. Hitachi Rail will support the electrification of the transportation system and a transition to carbon-free mobility.
This project itself is pioneering spirit. The Skyline system stands out. It's the first autonomous driverless system in the United States. This project is going to survive with the support and resources within the community. We had to learn how to work with each other. With that, we reached a point of harmony. I'm proud to be a part of the specific Hitachi Rail team. I chose Hitachi because they are a true full systems provider. They are rail. Design, build, operate, and maintain. That is Hitachi. We're not going anywhere, and we're looking to build and better ourselves in the future.